Hello, fourth graders. We're at math class, and we have to start off with our exit ticket from lesson 16. All right, this is it. You probably should have it in front of you by now. Make sure your name and date are at the top, and take a look here. I don't know if you remember from on Friday that what we did, but we did this division here. You know, how many times does this number fit into that number? So, and then we used these place value discs to split them up into groups. This is the number of groups, the divisors on the outside, 3 groups. We put our quotient remainder here, and we checked our work over here. Today, we'd like to see how much you remember from Friday and see if you can replicate that today right here. Now, do as much as you can, all right? And don't worry about the rest, because we're going to do a lot of the same kind of work today. All right, we'll see you back here in 5 minutes. Teachers, you can pause now. Okay, there's your time. So, let's see how you did. So you're going to show your division using discs, okay? And that was in that little place value to the left. And you're going to relate your work on place value discs along to the value chart to long division. Check your quotient remainder by using the multiplication and addition. So here's the first one. All right, I don't know if we can see this okay, so I'll zoom in just a little bit. All right, so what I did, I saw 5 divided by 3. Okay, so I took my 5 in the ones place here, and I put my 5 little discs in, and then I made 3 little groups here. Remember doing that? Then I took 1, and I made 3 equal groups. I could only make 3 groups of 1 because I only had 2 left over, and I needed at least 3 to make, have groups of 2. So 3 fits into 5 one time. All right, so 1 times 3 is 3, and my remainder was 2. See that? So my quotient was 1, remainder was 2. I start from the top here. I say 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 2 should equal 5. Okay? Just like that. That's how I check my work. The second one is right here. All right? And I have, let me see if I'm out all right. 65 divided by 3. Okay, so what I did over here is I have 10s and 1s. I took my 6 10s, you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I split this into 3 groups. And then I went one by one. 1, 2, 3, and I crossed them out. 1, 2, 3, and I crossed them out. No remainders left in the 10s place. Over here, 5 1s, just like up here in the top. I did 5 1s, and I split those into groups of 1. That's all I could do. So I ended up with 21. All right, and the same thing as up top, it was a remainder of 2. So 3 fits into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, see that? 3 groups of 2. I subtract, I get 0. I bring down my 5 in the ones place because that's the next number I want to divide. 3 fits into 5 one time. I can only get 1 into 3 groups here. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, I get 2. So my quotient was 21 with a remainder of 2. So what did I do? I check it right at the top. 21 times 3 equals 63. Then I add that 2 at the bottom, all right, my remainder, and see what I get. Do I get my dividend? I sure do. 65. All right. That was it today. Today we're going to do the same type of thing, except that we're going to actually have remainders in the tens place, and I want to show you how that works. It's just one little step to what we've been doing, okay? And nothing gets you better at this than practicing and repetition, okay? So hopefully you can get with your teachers and do some whiteboard practice during some free time. But we'll see what we can do, all right? Hang tight. Be right back with the I can statement.